Well, this is no good. Fortunately, I think I got a tool for it. This is what you got to do when you knock out that cross in a tub drain. Got to get this tool centered in there. Make sure it's in there tight. Work it like that. Finally got it out. Not a whole lot of putty left on that mother. It was in there. Gasket's still good. Clean up the area a little bit. Degreaser. Make sure you get nice and clean seal. You want to make sure the threads are still good. There's no cracks in the tub. I like to use Plumber's Putty by Odie. Let's get this crack-a-lackin'. So what I like to do is put a nice little layer of Plumber's Putty on the below the lip. I like to use Blue Monster pipe dope and then get her threaded in there. Good.